In this tutorial, we'll be adding a program to your practice. So let's say I want to add a program called 30-Day Healthy Habits. And I'll just put some text in here. Now if I tap continue, this is going to move me along the menu along the top. And this is where you would indicate what type of a program it is. If it is a group or an individual, the maximum size for the program, how long it lasts, the payment, if it's free or we're going to charge for it. This is where you would set the price. And you can also indicate if you take payment elsewhere so that you won't be expecting to receive payment through the app. This is where you would attach your contract, and then this is where you can indicate what personal information is required of your participants. Now in this tab, this is schedule. In the schedule tab, this is where you can add tasks and schedule live events. So let's say we have a task. We want to call it drink water. We want them to do it daily, and we want it to start on day 1. This will be added to their calendar, and we're going to leave it at 8:06. And you can add a description to optional, and we're going to create that. And this will show up for them every day in their to-dos. And if you wanted to add a live event, this could be a group call. And it's a one-time event on day, we'll say it's on day 10, 8:06. We'll create the live event. And again, that will be added to the calendar and in the notifications of your clients in the squad. In the next section, this is library, so this is all the documentation and forms that you will need for your participants. So any kind of handouts or videos or links or any content that they'll need to participate in your program could be uploaded here, and this can be put in your main library in the beginning and added to a program as you go. As you can see here, my library is empty, but if I had added content from the main screen to my library, I could pick and choose which content I wanted to use for this particular program. Now on this screen, this is where I can set goals. So if the main goal is to, I'll just say drink more water. And then the short-term goal is where I can say I want to allow my clients to add and edit their own short-term goals. So if the main goal of the program is to drink more water, they can set their own short-term goals. We'll create, tap continue. Okay, so now we have the full description. We have the title, the description, more information. This is the overview of the program that we just created. We can tap create. Now from here, once we have created our program, we can tap on publish, and now we can create a squad. So let's say we've created it, and this just means that it's open for people to enroll in. So we'll set a date of next Monday. We'll skip goals for now, but if we wanted to add them, you could tap right here and add the goals for the squad, and then we can now just tap create to create it. Yes, we're sure. So now we can invite clients to join the squad. So let's tap on let's do it. Now from here, this tab will identify any clients that we have worked with in the app before. So there would be a list here if I had any contacts in the app already, so clients I've worked with before or coaches, and I could actually search by name, or I can send an email invite. And here is a sample of the email that will be sent, or I can write my own message here. I'm not going to send it, I'm just going to tap that. Okay, so now here's our squad. This is the description of our program, and you can see what squads have been created. When somebody requests to join the squad, it'll show up here. You can see what invites you have sent for your squad, and then the description that we already set in the squad. And we can go into settings, and we can actually make this closed to new requests so that people cannot ask to join. And we can also hide it so that it will not show up on the main page for potential clients who join the app who are not connected to a coach. Okay, so let's click edit, and we'll save. Now from here, let's close this, and we'll go back to your space. Now from here, if I tap on squads, you can see now this tab is populated with the squad that I just created, and I can view all my squad information here. I can look at, so on the main page of the squad, I'll see messages that this would be like a group chat. So anybody who is participating in the squad who sends a message, these messages will be visible to anybody in the group from the day that they join on. So if you have people who join the squad late, they won't see anything that happened before they joined, but they'll see everything after. Now if I had, let's see if I have, I will invite myself to the squad. And okay. So now let's go back. Let's go back. Go back to your space. I don't have any active squads because the only squad I have is scheduled to start on Monday. And this is how we set up and navigate through the Your Practice coaching app.